CCS is a set of tools that supports the building industry through all the phases of the construction project, from the client brief phase to the building's operational use. In this video, we look closely at how building modeling software and the CCS codes can be used to keep track of room and building components in the building owner's facilities management system, and how the building owner can save resources by creating a better overview. Over the past year, Hillerød Municipality has worked to upgrade both their project and operation departments to use new digital working methods, including CCS. In this context, they initiated a number of specific digitalization projects and implemented a new facilities management system that can read from and manage building models. Through analyzing their own needs and working methods, it became clear to Hillerød that they could create great value through the use of building modeling software, but with a lot less effort than first thought. Even though the talk of building modeling software for facilities management is today often based on the use of a detailed as-built model filled with data, Hillerød Municipality has come to the conclusion that a very simple model would create more value than a detailed model. Therefore, they developed a clear and simple specification for the building component model, which they established and communicated out with the help of CCS information levels. At the same time, the need for data was relatively low in the first extent, and they came to the conclusion that they only needed the data for the rooms and building components, which could be of use during the building's operational use. If it is shown that more particular data is required at a later date and that this data would bring value to the model, then the model can be updated and upgraded if it is shown to be worthy of the effort. Among the properties that were chosen to be associated to the models were the CCS classification and identification codes, as well as a number of selected CCS properties. It soon became clear to Hillerød that if they built up their system solely with building models and data from new building projects, they would never get the full potential out of their facilities management system, especially in relation to space management, thus never creating a clear overview of the municipality's property portfolio. Therefore, Hillerød Municipality set about creating an internal project which had the aim of modeling all of their buildings into the building modeling software as per their own specifications. The rapid cost-benefit analysis showed that there could be a lot of value to be returned from a relatively small investment. The key to the digitalization project was to create the geometric detail as per CCS information level 2. Normally a lot of time is used to model details which will never be used, but when we cut them away, we could actually implement the project in a few months, says Brian Karlqvist, who is the section head in Hillerød Municipality. After the models are ready, they are loaded into the space management system, Deluxe FM. Deluxe FM helps Hillerød Municipality to get an overview of both the individual buildings and also their entire property portfolio. At the building level, Hillerød employees can extract data out of particular buildings, and at the same time, they can see which rooms the buildings contain. Additionally, they can see the related information on the individual building components and rooms. One of the great strengths is the ability to provide an overview of the total building stock. This overview allows the municipality to optimize their use of the available space much better than before. The result is that in the future, the municipality will spend less money on the rental of additional space. Why would one pay for something they already have? An interesting story to come out of this project was that upon reviewing the building stock, it quickly became obvious that Hillerød Municipality actually possessed more square meters than expected. Everyone went around talking about how we had around 230,000 square meters, but it was actually over 300,000 square meters, says Brian Karlqvist. Find the level of information that suits your needs and ask for no more than you can handle. Keep in mind that data can relatively easily be added afterwards if you find out that it can create value. Use a tool that can both provide an overview of the individual building and provide an overview of the total building stock. Otherwise, you'll miss a lot of square meters. See more on CCS tools and experience with start projects in our other videos on bips.dk.